And with the general election less than 2 weeks away, one of the most overlooked races involved judicial candidates. But with a contested seat on the Benton Franklin Superior Court up for grabs, voters got a chance to hear from the two candidates vying for the position. Here's a recap of today's event. For many voters, hearing from judicial candidates is rare, as many incumbent judges typically run unopposed. But with the resignation of Superior Court Judge Sam Swangberg, the Columbia Basin Badger Club provided a unique opportunity to hear from Franklin County Prosecutor Sean Sant and Benton County Superior Court Commissioner Bronson Brown, both of whom are looking to fill the seat.
While we may have a similar time period of being lawyers and qualifications, being held in the public spotlight and accountable to the public, I think, is a unique responsibility. That is something that I have had for the last 14 years.
84.3% of the local Bar Association of attorneys that were polled rated me as their preferred choice. And I think that says a lot because the attorneys are the ones that see us in court. We practice with them.
The candidate forum featured a plethora of topics submitted by the community, with both candidates discussing the biggest challenge facing the justice system, a public defender shortage.
We really need more individuals that are willing to go into public interest law, like prosecutors and defenders. That's really the biggest need that we have right now, and I think some of the discussions about reducing case limits is going to only exacerbate the current problems that we have.
Sant and Brown both agreed that more funding as well as interest in the legal system is needed to address the issue. Where the two candidates differed was whether they take a hard line on crime or prioritize rehabilitation. While Sant says it's a case-by-case basis, Bronson took a more direct stance.
We need a mechanism where some of these people that are really have these serious substance abuse problems are held accountable. And I think the things like therapeutic courts and drug courts provide that.
Reporting from the Tri-Cities, I'm Alan Lester, KEPR Action News. More information on the race, including the full hour-long candidate forum, can be found on our website, keprtv.com.